Just watch with me.
Hello, it's me, Watchman Lee, here with you again. Look at some police videos. Program's called Watch With Me, and I'm Watchman Lee. So we're going to drop into a new one by a channel called Uncovered. It says, when abusive boyfriend acts tough until the cops show up. So we'll take a look at it, see what happens. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's build this channel up. Let me know anything you want to watch, and let me know how I'm doing. All right?
Watch police serve this man instant karma after he gets drunk and steals two of his ex's cars.
Yeah, he looked like he's drunk.
You said the officer, well.
Said steal two cars?
I was on the phone, dispatch. Oh. They said they'll avoid confrontation. They heard him on the phone, yelling in my face and everything. She said, get in your car. I'm going to go unlock my car to get in my car. He jumped in my car, hit the car right there, and kept going. I don't even know where my car is. He's inside the house. I got price at 300.
Is it in both your names or anything? You're married or anything?
Both of them is my cars.
I know, but like anything is it in his name too?
No.
Oh, he gotta go.
No.
He gotta
Somebody
go.
I was dealing with, I don't want to be with now. No, he's inside the house. I want to be with now. All of a sudden,
Wait, he's inside the house right now?
He just came inside my house. I asked him where's my car at. He said,
wait, hold on.
He took my car.
He took your car.
My car's a push start. I'm on the phone. This is my second time calling. I said, I really need somebody to come out here. I have a second car he was using. I can't get my second car. As I'm talking to dispatch, he jumps in my car.
The price?
Price of 300. Took it. My mirror right here. He hit one of them things. Went around the corner. He just came walking from this way.
He hit a car or what?
He hit my mirror against the car. He right there. Hit my mirror against the car.
I hit it. I'm not giving it to nobody.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
Okay, everything open and shut.
Still ain't gonna get it. Hers.
Whose car is it?
Hers.
Okay.
Hers. Because
Relax.
she wanna be on some bullshit. I'm gonna be on some bullshit.
Oh, you going to jail. You going to
She
jail.
wanna be on some bullshit.
Okay, stop.
I'm gonna be on some. No, I'm not in her face. I'm far.
Look, where's the
No, I'm far.
Okay. You don't
I'm
need to
far.
yell
I'm not in her
either.
face. I'm far.
You don't need to yell either.
He asking for it. He asking for it.
Stop yelling in my face.
I'ma
He put the gloves on now.
Yelling in my face. That's what I'm gonna say.
Y'all can do whatever y'all want. She ain't gonna get the car.
Come here.
Go ahead, lock me up. I don't give a f. Still ain't gonna get the car.
Put your hands together. Put your hands together.
I am putting my hands together.
Stop yelling, dude.
Still ain't gonna get the car. Still ain't gonna get the car. Man,
Stop.
I'm going
Stop
to
moving
the
around.
I'm
I'm
going
not
to the wagon.
Stop. You're not going anywhere.
Man, I'm going to the wagon.
Stop.
She ain't gonna work for me.
Stop.
Where he say he going? He in handcuffs.
I told you.
Stop.
You made this shit
Stop.
way.
I'm
I
stopping.
told you.
Stop.
I told you. Yeah, I'm going to the wagon. That shit gonna work for me.
Yo, cousin.
Hey, yo, this shit gonna work for me. Hey, yo, this shit gonna work for me.
Oh. Oh, they switched up cameras real quick.
Stop.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Why would you push me down?
Because you acting crazy.
I am up.
He about to throw him down again.
I got a job to do. Why the f would you push me down?
Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
She had to mason. She had to mason.
All right, I got a job to do.
You got it.
All right, I have to go over you, and I'm trying to double lock the cuffs.
Hold that for what?
You got it.
I'm trying to double lock them so they don't hurt you.
You got it.
You're acting stupid. You gotta calm down, bro.
Hold that for what?
Gotta calm down, bro.
You know what's
No, he didn't. No, true.
Do you know where the car is?
Yo, no, I don't know.
How about the keys to the car? Step to your right. Step to your right so I can open the door.
Make it easier for yourself.
Stop doing this, dude.
Man, y'all just mason. Yeah, you talking about, bro? Y'all ain't have to mason me, man. Y'all didn't have to. No, she did. No, she did. I ain't do nothing really for her to mason me, man. She didn't have to mason me, man.
You were fighting.
She had to mason me.
What were you doing? You were trying to.
I ain't do nothing. I told y'all.
You
what I
still
was
fight.
doing. You talking about?
I would have maced him too.
You need some water? You need some water, bro?
Man, it's too late for that. Can I come back out?
No.
Just get some air.
No.
Just stand outside to get some air, bro.
You just got in there.
Can I get? It's not on.
Yes, it is.
It's not on.
Okay, close the door.
You're gonna close the door? I'm telling you, I can't breathe.
I hear what you're saying. We'll take you to the hospital. You go to the hospital, go to the hospital.
That's cool.
Despite being arrested, the suspect refuses to share the location of his ex's vehicle, which he stole. The female deputy heads over to inform the caller.
So he's refusing to tell me where the keys are at.
He said he's not gonna tell y'all. I got it all on video. He said he's not gonna tell y'all where my stuff is at. Even my Chrysler 300. I was coming to get my My titles, everything in my car. I was coming to get my 2016 Ford Fusion. That's what I was coming to get, like the keys.
Okay.
He's very drunk.
I see.
I'm just asking him, can I just have my keys? We're not getting nothing. He slammed me on the couch. All right.
Are you
Oh, so that's
injured in any way?
domestic.
Do you need medical attention?
No,
I mean, do you need the
the
ambulance
cousin
right
broke it up. So all of a sudden, I called the cops. I'm like, he kept coming outside, jumping in my face. The lady like, ma'am, just get in your car. I went to go unlock the car because it's push start. He pulls off with my car. Tapped the car right there with the mirror. My mirror comes
Which
off.
car? The Jeep?
The silver, the gold, the blue car. He taps
The
it.
Acura?
Yes.
All right, I gotta go. Where I see.
My mirror comes off, and now all of a sudden he come walking through this way. I'm like, well, where's my car? He said, the cops ain't gonna make you give me the car. I'm not gonna give it to him.
Is the car registered to you?
Both cars, yes.
Do you have the car information?
Chrysler 300.
Like the license plate and all that? Do you want to report your car stolen?
Yes.
Yes or no?
If he tell me where my car is at, it might have to be reported stolen because I don't know if he crashed my car. He told me he crashed it. I don't know where's my car. Like, he not gonna tell y'all.
Do you have ID on you?
All right, I'll call you back. Everything's in my car.
Hey, yo, Trent. His stuff. You want the stuff to him?
I can't breathe.
I'm asking you a question. Do you want his stuff?
I can't breathe. No,
I got
I'm
mace
telling you,
still,
I can't
okay?
breathe.
Okay.
I can't
I'm gonna bring you to the hospital.
Drills, he about to give me
Listen,
your stuff.
listen.
Wait, I'm promising.
Bringing you outside is making different. I'm gonna bring you to the hospital, okay?
I
Do
can't
you
breathe
listen?
right now.
Listen. Yes or no? Your property. Do you want from him? Do you want him to have the property? Okay. Here.
I got you, cause the call or whatever.
They so
you got.
busy
Do you have
arguing, they not
ideas?
listening to
Do
nothing.
you have ID in this?
He didn't have to escalate it to this point.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was already outside, just standing here. He kept coming outside, jumping in my face, like really going crazy. I'm like, bro, I just don't want to be with you no more. You don't have to. It don't even have to go that far. Look, jumping in my face. Look, jumping in my face, acting like this. He's drunk. Kept running up to me. Look.
She should have just kept the cars locked.
This was today, obviously.
Yes, today. This is when I was trying to get my car. Look. And this is the last time before he took the car. He went to go get his soda and this. Look, he gonna put down my car. And this was today, 6/18. He pulled off with the car, my 300.
Listen. Do you have ID in your wallet? Just look.
There's a whole lot wrong here. We're gonna get to it in a minute.
They put me in handcuffs. I can't breathe. I can't breathe with these clothes on me.
You can breathe. You talking.
You talking?
Any water?
Should have asked for the water. Let them put some water in your face.
I need to come outside.
You can breathe.
I can't breathe in this car. Not in this car. I'm telling you, in this car, I can't breathe.
Use your mouth. I'm gonna put some water in.
They're about to wipe your face. Do my job. Thank you,
Close your
officer.
eyes. Close your eyes.
Thank you, officer. Thank you, officer.
He sound like he got some sense now.
He was just he just escalated everything. Didn't have to be that way.
You need a big no?
Yeah. Please.
Outside. Yeah. Outside. I just want to stand up.
Come on, we gotta take you to the hospital.
I just want to stand up a little bit. Right here. I just want to stand right here.
Oh, you feel like you were sweating a lot in there, bro?
Right. I can't breathe.
I got you, man. Just relax.
Were you guys
Close your
okay
eyes.
to break
Close your
off old rules and then a 301 non-possession for 500% over?
Number 936, go to the detection.
Thank you, officer.
Open your mouth. Open you get some water. Open your mouth.
Policy saying black male that
You don't want water?
is short.
He don't want some man to tell him to open his mouth.
Just pulled the gun on her and her husband. She threatened to shoot him. The caller managed to get the gun.
They actually treating him real well at Mason.
936.
The suspect was transported to the hospital to be evaluated and was subsequently booked on burglary, resisting arrest, and disorderly intoxication. Upon sobering up, he began to cooperate and told officers where they could find his ex's vehicles, which he had stolen. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more never-seen-before arrest footage daily.
Well, that's good. He did tell him where the car was. He acting a little bit crazy. He shouldn't have been like that. You drunk, stay in the house. Don't argue while you drunk. Got some sense. Just leave stuff alone. His girl, she probably gonna get rid of him now. I don't know. She's been with him all this time. So she knew he had problems, but she's still dealing with him. So she gotta reap what she sowed. He need to know his limit. By his age, You get drunk like that, acting crazy, crashing cars, they ain't gonna be good. They not living great, and everything they doing is just costing them more money. She got him in his life. He get mad, wreck her car. She got to pay for it. She press charges. He gonna stay in jail. He got charges to face. So you gotta be smart about what you do, man. You just keep running around doing crazy stuff and just think it's all right. You can't treat, quote, the ones you love any kind of way. They love each other. They live together. And he dogging her out. So that's just me talking. All right, this is Watchman Lee. The show is Watch With Me, and I'm going to see you next time. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Let's build this channel up. All right, you have a good one now.